Hey guys, so I'm going to be getting an exhaust soon on my car. I'm going to do a dual exit with quad tips because I think it would look good, as opposed to what I have now, which is right there, just a single exit, and it's a hybrid, so we'll see. But I'm doing it mainly for sound because I don't like how the car sounds right now, but I also wanted to see, if there's any performance boost. So, I'm just going to do a little short video about it. First, we'll see how it sounds, stock compared to the aftermarket exhaust. And then we'll do some 0 to 60 accelerations too. So first, let's start off with the exhaust note now. Alright, so, by the way, I'm going to rev my car up to 3,000. That's as high as it lets me go while it's in park. But, yeah, we'll see how it sounds. Alright, so that's that. Probably sounded pretty pathetic. But, anyway. Now we'll get to the new exhaust, and then we'll also do a 0 to 60 now that I have it running, and we'll warm it up too. Alright, so car is at operating temperature, and I've got my little app up and ready, so we're going to do a 0 to 60 on this road real quick. Here we go. Little tire spin. And 60. Oh, slow down. Alright, pulling over. Oh. Alright, so, history. Right there, so 0 to 60 for that run was 9.2. I did a run a little bit earlier, and that was 9.1, so that's a pretty good average. Yeah, so now, after I get the exhaust, we'll come back and do the exact same test and see if there's any improvement. Alright, and we're back with the new exhaust. As you can tell, it's a dual exit quad tip. It's got 2 resonators now. It's got the stock one, and then it's got a MagnaFlow on there, but no mufflers, nothing else past that, so we're gonna go ahead and do the exhaust clip and then 0 to 60, so let's start it off. So, yeah, that's that. I don't know how well that sounds on camera. It sounds pretty good, but then again, at the same time, you know, I can't really rev it very much, considering it's a hybrid, but if we get under the car, I don't know if you can see, but it's dual exit, there's the single resonator up there, and yeah, I think it sounds pretty good. So now time for the 0 to 60 test. Alright, here we are again, car's at operating temperature, got my app, let's go. And there's 60. Oh jeez. Okay. So that was with the new exhaust. And there you go. 8.4 seconds as opposed to what it was last time, which was the 9.1, 9.2. So, exact same car, different exhaust, that's it. I'll do one more run here real quick. And then, yeah. So, here we go for a second run. Again, just to, verify facts. There we go, there's 60 again. Gonna slow down. Alright, and that run was 9 seconds. So, a little variation, 0.6 seconds. That could be, altitude. That one we increased 9.8 feet. That one we dropped 6.6 feet. But that was, just going up and down the road right there. But yeah, so I think that's pretty solid proof that the exhaust did actually increase some performance and horsepower. So, yeah, that's all for this video. If you liked it, then like and subscribe, and that's all for today.